Hey guys, today we're doing a bit of a cook up. We're going to be cooking the stag that Sam shot. Sam, we're on a little hunt the other week now, and Sam got a young spiker. So I'll roll the vid. We'll see just a quick little intro of that. And this is the young spiker. We ended up mincing up most of it. So we're going to do some venison rissoles tonight, burgers. And this recipe is a bloody beautiful mix. Just real basic. But yeah, really good for an introduction to anyone to venison, because yeah, it's really, really good. So run down. We've got our venison here, frozen. So I've just defrosted that. It's about 400 grams. To that, we're going to add some diced bacon. There's no real sort of teaspoons of this or that. It's just a bit of everything. Going to dice some cheese up, grate some carrot. And as you know, the Vegeta mix is it's a stock, but I use it as just a bit of a spice, a dry rub. It's really good with game meat. And then we've got some chili flakes, spaghetti bolognese herbs, and salt and pepper. So yeah, we'll mix all that together, and well, there we go. Mix all that up, let it sit, and yeah, make some rissoles. So anyway, we'll roll the vid of the hunt, and then we'll get into cooking.
Oh babe, it's a 3-4.
Yeah, we've just been chasing meat, and Sam just nailed this little 3-4. It's going to be our first Euro mount.
Yeah, that's so cool, and mince for us.
Yeah, heaps of mince. Hey boys.
Yeah. Sausages.
We look like a
We can
scrubber
make
after
all
work.
the sausages.
Oh, this is good. We needed this though. So it was a good shot, double lung.
Oh.
Bloody smashed him.
Em's just taking the legs off now and skinning the legs. And we're going to
Just so when we
put him up on a tree.
It should be a bit easier, eh?
Get some spread on.
Spread them, you reckon?
Spread them. Only way to do it.
But we're going to get a fair bit of mince out of this guy, which is going to be awesome. We eat a lot of mince. We find, I don't know, we find venison dishes, if you use a lot, like you can use anything with mince, pies, lasagna, spaghetti bowls, sausage rolls. So
Mexican's my go-to. Vinny mince Mexican. The kids love it.
tacos.
Yeah. So you can see how big like a red stag is. So this is only a young stag, but as you can see, they are. They're a big animal, eh? Yep.
So he's got a pretty good wide rump there. All right.
Knock 'em big in the rump.
Hey, hey. So burgers are done. These are bloody sensational.
They're so good. So a little bit of cheese on top. Ooh. A little bit of cheese. And they are done. How good is that?
So for the record too, it's not a spiker. Got in trouble in the shit big time. It was a 3-4. It's like a 3-year-old stag. Getting the eye right now. But no, it was a young stag. Wasn't a spiker though. 3-4. Beautiful stag. Young. Anyway, these are gonna be good. Alright. So good.
Cheers.
Yum. Don't go good.